Hello everyone, so today I'm gonna edit a couple more pictures. So this one are from the old photos with Bula Baby, and I use the Canon EF35mm f1.4. So first thing I'm gonna clean up the ground just to have less distraction. And then there's some little bit of details, so from far away you won't notice. Just clean up a little bit around the area. I'm gonna clean up this one as well. Okay, and then first I clean up the environment. Still have a dot right here. Next, I'm gonna do a crop 4x5 Instagram. And I forgot to turn the color to Canon color, standard Canon color. So this is the real color from the camera. Next, I'm gonna patch a little bit. Smooth it a little bit first and then do a patch. Smooth it back. Okay, so next I'm gonna add some shadow in this area, and you can see the overall framing in this thumbnail right here. Reduce the exposure a little bit more. I think we can add a little bit more shadow in front. Okay, and then the next thing I'm gonna do is reduce a little bit more yellow. You can see the difference of yellow, but I will just a little bit, but not too much. And then later on I'm going to use the Visco to do some retro toning as well, but for now this is good. And because it's a subtle lighting, I can use the Portraiture 3. So what I'm gonna choose is the skin tone in here and around the head area. Okay, you can see the skin is smoother. Sometimes if it's too smooth, you don't have to do the Portraiture 3. For now it's fine. You just added an overlay on top. So I think this is fine. Export it out. The next one, this one has more shadow in the center area. First, I'm gonna clean up the ground first. So I'm gonna clean up the ground. some minor details. Okay, so once I clean up the ground, and I'm gonna add some light to the center area. So first I'm gonna change these both to the Canon original color. And then add a little bit exposure. Next one I'm gonna do is increase the light in here, and then you can see a little bit of shadow in the bottom, but let's increase the shadow first. Okay, and then slightly adjust, and then what I'm gonna do is smooth this area. And then change to the more shadow in front. Okay, so overall it's much brighter. This is before and after. You can see that it's more vibrant and brighter. Next I'm going to do is 4:5 crop. I'm going to leave a little bit of room in the back right here, so as a leading line to the center, or if you don't want, you can just crop at the end of the car. It's fine. Position the portrait to the center. Reduce the yellow. Okay, so next I'm going to do a portraiture 3. There's a white dot right here, I just noticed. I'm going to patch it later after I finish the portraiture 3. I'm going to patch this white dot. Okay, so that's good, and just slightly a little bit, and then export it out. Okay, so next one is similar. So first I'm gonna patch. What I'm gonna do right now is copy and paste it here, and then I start doing all the patching. Because it's a similar lighting, I'm just do the same things. Okay, next one I'm gonna do is patch slightly in here. Soften the skin a little bit more. Okay, next one, do the shadow. I'll do a stronger shadow this time. And do one more new set. Slightly remove outside to see what's the overall. Then do a smaller one. Just get the overall mood in here, that's fine. Okay, so after that, this is before and after. You can see that it's much brighter in front. I'm gonna do one more go around. Okay, so that's good. And then last step is to update the cropping. Okay, so that's the cropping, and I will do one more time on the eyes area, just make it a little bit more bright. And then the last step, do a portraiture 3. Last time I told you that when it's backlight, I don't use portraiture 3, but right now it's not backlight, it's just subtle light. I might just use the portraiture 3 one more time. Okay, so that's good, and then export it out. So thank you so much for watching, and stay tuned for more video coming up in my channel. Bye.